Sorry guys. I accidentally stopped the recording, so I'll try again. So we're gonna keep going. Alright, here we go. Sounds kind of weird. Alright, we're gonna vacuum here and that's it. Alright. So yeah, here it is. The Bissell cleanview vacuum has been vacuumed. Alright. So here it is. And here's the full line, but it's not full yet. But I'm gonna go and grab a bag and dump it. I'm gonna go and grab a bag and throw this away. Hey, here it is. I have to throw this away now because it's done. Alright, I'm gonna have to find the bag then. So I'm gonna have to sit right here. And I'm listening to a song, so comment down below what song is this. So comment down below. What kind of song is this? So yeah. So I'm gonna have to go and find a bag. I have to find a bag, I guess. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Now she messed with the toilet paper. Whatever, but you have another one. If you see it's dirty the sink because I was cleaning the filter. Oh, yeah, forgot. There you go. Found the bag. Oh God. Oh, I think I'm not supposed to throw that yet. So yeah, not yet. But we'll get to do it in another time. When we start vacuuming again. Alright. Put this back. I'm not sure if the trash is back yet, but look. Nope, not yet. Hold on, let me 1 second. There we go. There we go. Got it. Now we're gonna ravel the cords. It's stuck. God, I kept. Oh my God, I cannot draw. Put this over here. I guess that's it for today's video of the Bissell cleanview vacuum. So now, yeah. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this channel. So I hope you got. Make sure you smash the like button right now. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and comment. So make sure you always stay happy, stay healthy, and get your vaccine shots. There we go, baby. So yeah, here you go, guys. Peace out. Bye, loser rat, or you can call me Luis again, whatever you want to call me. So thank you for watching, guys. See you later. Peace. Goodbye.